Why stay in a hotel room when you can instead rent an Airbnb, condo, or home?
Here's the kitchen. It's all newly remodeled, all new appliances, farmhouse sinks.
One reason for Airbnb's surging popularity is the chance to rent a whole house for the price of a hotel room. But not always, according to a new analysis by Money magazine. Money looked at prices in 300 cities and found some where Airbnb was indeed cheaper. For instance, in Santa Monica, California, the average hotel room is now $344, while Airbnb is just $222, 35% cheaper. New York City was similar. But in cities with cheap hotel rooms, a hotel's often your better deal. For instance, in Pensacola, Florida, an average hotel room is $108, while an Airbnb rental is $271, 60% more. So from the Doesn't That Stink file, overpaying for your vacation lodging because you booked too quickly. If you're paying 60% more, you might say, doesn't that stink? The report suggests you compare prices first. And if it's a vacation spot with a lot of hotel rooms, a hotel may save you money. My advice when looking for lodging, check all the options, a hotel, Airbnb, and rental sites like HomeAway and VRBO. That way you'll find the best deal and you don't waste your money. I'm Matarese.